Rice pilaf with Corinthian currants, walnuts, Greek saffron, and leeks. Take a look at what you'll need. Chop and toast the walnuts lightly. Heat extra virgin Greek olive oil in a skillet and saute 2 chopped leeks. Trim the leaves off a few sprigs of fresh mint and chop them. Smash and chop a garlic clove or 2 and add to the softened leeks. Stir in the Corinthian currants, drizzle in a little petit mezzi, and add the toasted walnuts and mint. Remove the mixture and set it aside, not pictured here, and in the same frying pan, heat a little more olive oil. Stir 2/3 of a cup of Carolina rice in the oil to coat it. Add 2 cups of vegetable stock and some threads of Greek saffron, also known as krokos Kozanis. Season with Greek sea salt, continue cooking, stirring, and adding broth until the rice is cooked. Stir in the Leek-Walnut raisin mixture. Thumbs up, it's delicious.